To put the finishing touches on this match. Oh my gosh! What is
Is this your elbow or is this your elbow?
to put the finishing touches on this match? Oh my gosh! What?
What's your problem? Are you gonna square up with me?
I'm sitting here in the boring room.
Billy. Normally the dogs play at the dog park. They don't sit on the bench with the people. You gotta go play in the park, Bubba.
It's lights out, and away we go. Verstappen gets away well, as does Charles Leclerc. Perez is trying to cover him off, but
Some right here. You got some right here. Whoa! Hey, you got some right here. You got some right here.
Basically, the rubber bullet that hit you at the exact.